Hey guys, there's no build video this week. I just wanted to hop on real quick to let you know about an amazing challenge that's going on next week. It's called the Instagram Builders Challenge. And if you sign up with the link down below, you will get an email on October 6th with a free set of building plans. And you'll have 3 weeks to complete a build based off of those plans. At the end of the 3 weeks, there are going to be some celebrity judges who are judging all the builds, and there are going to be some winners with some amazing prizes. There is an expert, finest finish, and novice winner. So even if you don't have any experience or you're brand new to this, the plans are easy enough to follow and you can build along with everybody else. And that's actually the most amazing part about this challenge. It's the building along with everybody in the community. If you follow the hashtag on Instagram, you will see all the people who are competing. It's really amazing to see how encouraging people are and how helpful people are. The woodworking community is just an amazing thing to be a part of. And this challenge is actually the reason why I decided to create my Instagram account. I wanted to be a part of season 1 of the challenge, so I created 3x3 Custom. I didn't win, but I did meet so many friends and it completely changed my life. So I really hope that you guys sign up with the link down below and participate in the challenge this year and build along with everybody else and for a chance to win some prizes. This season, some of the sponsors are Gorilla Glue, Dremel, Hudson Durable Goods, Bessie, ISO Tunes, Weather Wash, Fuji Spray, Ryobi, Firm Grip Gloves, Cat Footwear, a bunch of others that are not on my bench right now. Amazing prizes to be won. I can't wait to see all the amazing, unique pieces of furniture that you guys come up with. Happy building.